What's happening? It's your boy King Victory, and we're getting ready to meet up with a new group that I work with. I work for Mercedes-Benz now, and there's a couple riders there, and they put a polar bear ride together on the first. Normally, I go with my man and my home people, my homeboys, and my people from the crib, people I normally ride with. They're riding to Greensboro this morning. But I said I'm gonna do something different. So rocking with these boys this morning. And they're gonna meet me in downtown Angela. They're coming up from Fayetteville. We're gonna go get us some seafood. We'll hang out a little bit, make it do what it do. So I see you when I see them, headed to the gas station for the meetup spot. Man, I miss y'all. I really do miss y'all. You know what?
And if y'all don't know us, shame on you.
Don't say goodbye to Maggie. We're gonna get her fixed. I started with a full face, but it's gonna be out during the day, man. Try to be cute on them, you know? Let's go. We get gas when we get there. So, what's up, Vic Nation? What's up, YouTube? We're finally getting out here for our first ride of the year. And this ride is sponsored by Tony. It's one of my co-workers. They get together, him and a few people, and they do a polar bear ride. And no matter how cold it gets on that first day of the year, they go and ride somewhere and have lunch together and come on back. So this year they invited me. Normally I would go to Greensboro for the first ride of the year, but I decided to do something different this year. So ride with me, enjoy the ride with me. Let's go meet these guys. Let's go break bread. Let's get it in, man. It's about 59 degrees outside right now, and it's not bad at all. So I'll see you when we get downtown, baby. Let's do this. So we finally met up at the gas station. And you know how it is when you first get together with the boys. You start looking at the bikes and walking around like it's a motorcycle museum, admiring everything. Tony just copped a brand new 2024. Look at her, bro. She's sweet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Copped that yesterday. And then that's Tony right there. So we are definitely outside with the boys. This is Tony's ride. This is their polar bear ride. They invited me, so your boy's here. Stack. Ooh, okay, Stack. She looks good. Fat hogs. There's some hogs out here. The Victory King. You know we starting old girl. We gonna see if Tony got a name for her yet. This is the real reason to get together. So we finally made it to the Mayflower. Mayflower Seafood. Been around since 1980. I moved down here in 97. I remember coming out here to eat at this one. So it's been a long time since I've been to the Mayflower. And what better way to bring in the new year with your brothers and your sisters? You're the big guy with the Harley boys. You know how I hang out.
Straight?
No, just 7.
I mean,
7.
7? I'll put y'all back here.
To the restaurant. So, we came up here to the Mayflower Seafood Restaurant.
Right this way, y'all.
I ain't been to this one in like 15 years.
Yeah. Yo. Thank you very much.
Happy New Year, y'all.
Thank you.
Hot soup at
Oh, can I do it again? Oh.
Senior plate.
1880.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Goes on. We'll keep it personal.
That was a lot of fun.
Did you name her yet, Tony?
Who?
Did you name her?
No, I ain't called her no names yet, but I probably will for some. After the first payment.
Yeah. can't believe it's 2025 already, and we're doing our first ride of the year. Let's go. Let's go. I'm excited. I know you're wondering how I got up front. Well, since it was my neck of the woods, I told Tony I know a way to take us out of the city and keep us off the highways. Get us back to 50 so they can get back to Fayetteville. All country style, baby. Let's do it. Happy New Year.
Got the boys in time though. I came down halfway with them boys. We got it in today. Now we about to head back to the crib, smoke us a cigar, get us a little bit of wine, and relax the rest of the day because we got to work tomorrow. I appreciate y'all coming out with me. Appreciate y'all hanging with me. I didn't make it to Greensboro this year, but I did ride and break bread with the people, and that's a tradition for the New Year's Day. So forget it. This year it's over with. You can still get your ride in. You still got some time left, but I implore you, everybody that rides, if you're on these tubes, next year get out and ride with your brothers and your sisters and go break bread, okay? Peace, Freak Nation. I love you. I'm out. I see you a lot this year. Peace.